Generally, cryptographic money is a totally decentralized cash predominantly founded on a blockchain calculation. The blockchain organization will affirm and check all new passages into the record and any progressions to it. Among the four driving digital currencies, viz., Bitcoin, Ethereum, and TI likewise highlight near convention as a transcendent player. What is near convention? The hardy arrangements presented by near convention are the side effect of the minds and work of a portion of the main tech and organization specialists who have loaned their exceptional commitments to these wonderful administrations, made by designers Alex Skidnov and Ilya Polisukhin, both of whom have broad involvement with programming. Near convention's local token is called Near and is utilized to pay exchange charges and capacity. Wiping out siloed network opens the genuine capability of a whole environment of novel installment entryways that are quick, secure, and minimal expense. Near custom of a legacy and values which are established on the system of more prominent financial reasonableness and a chance for all through examination, instruction, and generosity. Near convention is a public verification of stake blockchain with an outlook to be easy to understand, integrating highlights like intelligible record names rather than just cryptographic wallet addresses and the capacity for new clients to interface with dapps and shrewd agreements without requiring a wallet by any means, with a completely unique way to deal with versatility through sharding. Near convention has been an answer supplier by handling, discussing, approving, and finishing exchanges to different hubs. An essential benefit of sharding has been to lessen the computational burden by parting or dividing the organization into shards. This would, thusly, speed up network limit. Near specialized and central investigation. The ongoing cost of near convention remains at $3.04 with a market cap of $2,484,237,391 and at 24 hours. Exchanging volume of $239,842,933. The ongoing coursing supply of near convention remains at 817,731,461 near. The unequaled high of the crypto was $20.42, while the ongoing cost is exchanging at a low of 85.13% relatively. Near's cost has been in a critical down run, as its worth tumbled from nearly $20 to an enormous low of $3. For the token to work on its exhibition and be a top speculation road, it necessitates to perform in much the same way to when it arrived at its record-breaking high. What news might affect near convention cost from now on? The near people group as areas of strength for vary. Near convention's cost is affected by different elements and news. The near stage is as yet creating, and its usefulness isn't yet totally sent off. Some news could have a momentary effect, while others might have a long haul, other than the biological system's turn of events. General market feelings and request supply influence the cost of near from now on. Near convention digital currency is the 29th biggest cryptographic money, going by the future cost drifts and near cost expectation. The near convention cost might come to the $3.50 mark this year. Near convention value forecast 2022. According to our near convention cost forecast, the base, normal, and greatest exchange values might be around $2.50, $3, and $3.50 in the crypto market. According to the examination, we foresee that the near convention will be good to go to confront a bullish pattern before long. Near convention value forecast 2023. As indicated by our near convention cost expectation for 2023, the base and most extreme costs are expected to be around $3.90 and $5.75. Separately, simultaneously, the typical cost might be around $4.80. Near costs will begin to recuperate from 2023. Near convention value forecast 2024. The near's cost is estimated to have a typical cost of $6.40. According to the near cost expectation, the normal greatest cost is $7.48, and the base cost is $5.31. The worth near coin is supposed to rise consistently founded on its presentation. Near convention value expectation 2025. As per our near cost conjecture, the greatest worth is supposed to be $9.30, while the potential low might be around $7.11. The adjustment of near convention is supposed to be moderate for 2025, and the typical cost might be around $8.20 all year long. Near convention value forecast 2026. Our near cost expectations during the current year give very uplifting indications expressing that the near's cost could bounce around $10.90 by 2026, while the base and normal costs might be $7.58 and $9.20. Separately, on the lookout, brokers might have begun wagering on the near's cost, following this token intently for putting away cash. Near convention value forecast 2027. According to resource investigation and near convention cost expectation, the coin's cost will scale at the pinnacle of $11.55, while the base cost might be $8.72. The typical cost is supposed to be around $10.10 in the crypto world. Putting resources into the token brilliantly may give good benefits, as the near convention's cost is supposed to develop. Near convention value forecast 2028. According to our near convention value expectation and specialized investigation, the coin will proceed the upswing as long as possible, and its greatest cost might reach $12.73, while the base cost might be $9.20. In view of our near coin cost forecast, it could have a typical cost of $11. Near convention value expectation 2029. As per the near convention cost expectations, it might raise a ruckus around town cost of $13.89 and the base cost of around $10.52 for the year 2029. Simultaneously, the typical worth might be around $12.20. Huge development is normal in near's cost over time. Near convention value expectation 2030. The near conventions market will keep on filling in the long haul. In view of our near cost forecast 2030, we anticipate that the token should stir things up around town cost of $15.70, with a base cost of $12.11. The typical near conventions cost can be somewhere near $13.90, with the high instability included. Giving a crypto coin cost expectation has consistently represented a test, in any event, for the best of specialists or the dealer local area. A few famous specialists have made the accompanying near cost expectation for working with monetary choices by financial backers. Does near have a future? Near convention is one cryptographic money that will have a brilliant future in light of our near convention's cost expectation. Riding the crypto wave, near will govern the computerized realm, so for of installment, it will have a long rule. Is near convention a wise speculation? Indeed, near convention might be a wise speculation and bring in your cash twofold. Nonetheless, you should do your own examination prior to pursuing the trade choice. Complete your own near convention specialized examination and expect its future exhibition in the cryptographic money market. What amount will near convention be worth in 2030? Near convention's cost might hit a limit of $15.70 in 2030 and have a base cost of around $12.11 in light of our near crypto cost forecast 2030. The drawn-out exhibition of the near convention is very bullish and positive. Will near convention go up or down? In view of our resource conjecture, near convention will go up and accomplish greater achievements, as the market begins noticing a colossal intrusion of undertakings. Other cryptographic forms of money might make a stride back, and the near cost will arrive at the peak. Is near convention a trick or genuine? In spite of all discussions and debates, near convention uncovers a sound and dynamic environment. The near network runs on a proof-of-stake agreement component. Subsequently, it is a genuine stage.